Let's see how to change product URL in Shopify store. For that, go to admin panel, find out where's the product, click the product option. There will be a lot of product. In my case, there's only one product, so I'm clicking men t-shirt. After page loaded, scroll down to below and you will find out search engine listing and click edit. And there will be three options. One is page title, meta description, and URL handle. We are going to change URL handle. I'm going to change small into large and click save. Once it's saved, you can see the URL has been changed here. To make sure it's changed on your site, go to online store and refresh. This might take a while. Yeah, it has been changed. So we are coming to end of our video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe my channel for more helpful video like this.